Okay, hi Pisces. Welcome to your zodiac reading. This is going to be for August 1st to the 15th. And if you've been following my page, you would know how I do this. So, for you to understand if this is resonating with you or not, since it's a general reading, I'll be looking at a spread for what's going on with you currently. And if that resonates, then pretty much I feel the outcome will also resonate. Also, while watching this is general, it may or may not resonate with you. Okay, so please keep this in mind. And it's since it's a big collective, it's a um, zodiac collective. So yeah, but majority of you, I think it'll resonate with you. All right. So let's begin, and I'll end it with advice from the universe for you for those 15 days. So let's see what's going on with you currently, Pisces. What's going on with you currently, Pisces? Let's see. Nine of Wands. The Moon. Page of Wands. Let me pick one more. And the Seven of Wands. Guarded, guarded, guarded. Guarded because of fears. Although this thing excites you, you're trying to push away something that passionately pulls you. But is that going to help? Because I see that this is everywhere. I mean, I don't think this is going to work out for you if you and you're here. The moon is here. So you're in your element of being dreamy, and I think you dream about this particular situation, which really ignites your soul from inside. But you're being very tied up, like maybe just not wanting to show yourself too much here. Okay. I also sense that. You're resisting it a little too much. It's a little too much in the face for you right now. And you don't know. You don't know if you will be successful in resisting this the way you want to. Okay? However, I see resistance as the major energy. The reason could be fear. The reason could be that you're like making castles in the air that this will not work out and stuff like that. You're just fearful at this point, Pisces. Okay? So if this resonates, let's see what's gonna come in the next 15 days, August 1st to the 15th. What can you expect in the next 15 days? But before that, let me just see what is this fear about. What is this fear about? What is the moon card here for? Two of Swords. A situation that you don't want to face. You're scared to break free. Maybe it's a marriage. Or maybe it's something that brings stability in your life, and you're scared that your stability will be shook up if you do this. Let's see. Let's see what can you expect in the next 15 days. August 1st to the 15th, what can you expect? What can you expect? 3 of Swords. 5 of Cups. I'll tell you, relax. The Hierophant. You're trapped in this. Like, you think, okay, you're being manipulated in this situation, Pisces. Okay? You're thinking that if you break free, then you will be the one who's wrong, but actually, that is not the truth. You're being trapped in this, you're manipulated in this situation, and it is not good for you. You got to escape. You got to move out, because this is a plan. This is not, I mean, I wouldn't say that someone evil is involved here, but somebody is emotionally blackmailing you to be here, to be in this situation, even though you don't like it or something. Okay, now staying in it or not is totally up to you. Do you want to stay in it? Do you think you deserve to stay in it? All these things are interlinked. Like, do you want to be that way or not? So here's an opportunity from the universe to you, but if you don't choose it, it is not going to come. I am seeing it's a trap. Like, you think that, for example, just giving an example, you're in a marriage and you want to walk away from it, and you're not doing it because you think, what is my wife/husband going to think? How is he or she going to live after I walk away? This person is so dependent on me. What is my mom going to think? What is my dad going to think? What is the whole world going to think? But nobody's going to think anything. It's all been fed in your mind so that you don't act. It's a trap. You got to escape. And that is the right path for you. That is what I'm seeing. Let's see what is the advice for you here, Pisces. Oops. What is the advice for Pisces? Break free from this. Yes, you're just trapped in fear. Break free from this, otherwise your life is not going to change, Pisces. You have to leave this situation. You have to. Stop feeling guilty for not walking away from something that doesn't give you happiness. And trust me, it will not. How much ever you try, it will not give you happiness. You got to walk away from it. You have to, because there is no solution otherwise if you don't walk away from it. Okay, because see, the thing is, you're holding on to a disrupted thing. Like, you're literally trying to hold the small pieces of something which is not working out anymore. So how do you think it will work out for you? And you're only holding on because of fear. You want to leave it, but you're not doing it. And this fear has been fed in your mind, I told you. Before seeing these 3 cards also, I told you, the fear is fed in your mind in a certain way. And that is why you're not able to take action. So that's what I'm seeing for you guys, Pisces. Let me know in the comments if this resonated. Private readings are open, so you can reach out to me for that as well. And guys, I have 2 pages on Instagram. One is for tarot, the other one is for crystal healing. Just in case if you're interested, you can check them out. The details are there in the description box, so you can let me know. I do daily energy check-ins on the Instagram page, so just in case if you're interested, you can check that out as well. Okay? Alright, so I'll see you soon again. Take care. Bye.